so I have no operational knowledge mismo dun sa detalye ng confidential funds. But I was the one who, as I'm sure you know, I was the one who signed yung response po dun sa AOM. Yung pagkakaintindi ko po doon sa certification sa ginawa nila, yung Youth Leadership Summit is not something that DepEd conducted, but actually yung mismong nag-certify po from the AFP, they conducted advocacy or awareness programs against insurgency in those certain areas. Yun lang po yung pagkakaintindi ko based on the documents, kasi po yung response ko po ng DepEd doon sa AOM, we prepared it based on the documents that were available, depending kung ano po yung finding ng AOM.
Mr. Chair, kahit na confidential fund po yan, that is still taxpayers' money. Kasi ginagawa po natin ang budget every year, and then lahat po yan, yung budget po natin na nagpopondo po na yan, ay taxpayers' money. Mr. Chair, you can just imagine, Youth Leadership Summit lang ito, and the government spent 112 million pesos. Kahit kayo naman po siguro, mga auditor kayo, kung sino mang mga tao na nandito ngayon, napakalaking halaga naman po ang 112 million pesos para sa Youth Leadership Summit. Ipagpalagay mo na lang ang Youth Leadership Summit, 3 araw, 4 na araw, based dito sa certification, 200 participants. Magkano ba ang pagpapakain ng 200 participants? Yung isa, 800 participants. Abay, kahit na 3 buwan sila mag-hotel, hindi mauubos ang 112 million pesos. Kahit na 1,000 pakainin nila kada araw, hindi mauubos ang 112 million pesos. And that is why this committee would want where the money went, because it is very clear, this is just on paper. Pero ang totoo po niyan, may pinuntahan ho yung 112 million pesos. Alam niyo ho yun. So, Mr. Chair, the key person to answer all those questions is si Mr. Edward Parda. Siya ang nag-cash advance, siya rin ang nag-liquidate. So, let us ask him, paano nangyari yung, to explain to us, 112 million pesos. As far as I'm concerned, there are only 3 certifications here ang nakalagay dito. Isa 863 students, ang isa 200, ang isa 900 students. Pagpapakain lang ng almost 3,000 students, uubusin ba natin ng 112.5 million pesos? So that is why, Mr. Chair, I will reserve my question, but as a layman, as I've said, we are not COA, we are not auditor, but very clear po, malaki ho ang mga katanungan na dapat sagutin ng DepEd party dito sa 112.5 million pesos. Thank you, Mr. Chair.